Morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, September 22nd. It's about 10 a.m. and over there's my grandson Preston, also known as Mo. And up there a little ways is my buddy Delmar and Charlie the Wonder Dog. And we are over at Carver's Gap where the Appalachian Trail crosses. We're near the Tennessee-North Carolina border. And we're going to be doing a tribute hike in honor of our friend Lloyd Blevins, who passed away just 5 days ago. The reason we're doing this specific hike is it was the last hike he did with Delmar and I back in 2013. We're going to be going up across the Balds, also known as Roan Highlands. We're going to, that bald right up there in front of us is the first one of 3 balds we'll be on today. Round Bald, Jane Bald, and the last one, which is Grassy Ridge Bald, which is just under 6,200 feet in elevation. We're currently at about 5,500 feet, and we're going to get started. Coming up on the first of the 3 balds. This will be Round Bald, and I don't know if I mentioned earlier or not, but we're on the Appalachian Trail and we're headed northbound. You see that mountain right up there ahead of us? That's Grassy Ridge Bald, and that's our destination for today. But as you can see, beautiful views. You have 2 balds right over there. They're called Little Hump Mountain on the right, Big Hump Mountain up on the left. Round Bald, elevation 5826. We're not going to drop. Okay, we've now reached the summit of the second bald, Jane Bald. As you can see, elevation 5807. Wind's picked up a little bit. I meant to share a story about our friend Lloyd, who we're dedicating this hike to today. When he came over here with us, like I say, it was in April of 2013. There was snow on the ground and it was brutally cold. But before we left home, he came by my house to pick me up, and I told him that it was going to be pretty cold over here, because all he was wearing was a little windbreaker. I said, Lloyd, I've got an extra coat. He said, no, I'll be fine. I said, it's going to be cold. He said, no, I'll be good. Well, he was a real trooper through it. He didn't say anything. He didn't complain to Delmar or me, but he later had told another friend of ours that he nearly froze to death that day. In fact, that the boggin Delmar has on there now was the one that Lloyd was wearing on that hike on that day. So we're just trying to pay a little tribute to him in every way we can. I don't know if I mentioned how he passed or not, but last Monday, wasn't it, Delmar? Last Monday, he had a massive stroke, and he had to have surgery, and he never regained consciousness, and he was put on life support. And this past Thursday, they took him off life support, and he passed away. He was 59 years old. Delmar had known him since high school. I've known him since we were about 8 or 9 years old, so you know, I knew him for 50 years or more. He'll be sorely missed. Okay, we are now approaching the summit of Grassy Ridge Bald. There's a plaque up here on this big rock dedicated to, I think his name was Rex Peak. I can't remember what he was known for, but we'll know here in a minute. Back over there's where we were about an hour or so ago. Honor the memory of Cornelius Rex Peak, a special man who loved God, his country, his fellow men, and this land, a legacy from his forefathers. Born in the valley below, April 3rd, 1887, buried near his birthplace, March 23rd, 1964. Because of his love of nature, his long and close association with this mountain, no one was better versed on the Rhone and its people. Quite a few others out today too. Now, we normally don't stop here. We go right out about another half mile out that way to the drop-off, and then we turn around and go back. We're still on top of Grassy Ridge Bald. I'm looking across. I'm going to try to zoom in on Grandfather Mountain. Okay, everyone, we're almost back to the parking lot, which is right down there. It was a pretty good hike. Gonna wind up being right at 6 miles. We just wanted to, Delmar and me want to say to Lloyd's family, I don't know if any of them will watch this video or not, but if they do, our thoughts and prayers are with them, especially his wife and his daughter. And for everyone else, thanks for coming along. I guess that's another one in the books, and until next time.